On today's menu, a delicious recipe you won't be able to just keep calm and curry on. Hong Kong style curry. Lei Hong Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YeungMadeCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is definitely an inspired version of a childhood favorite, plus it's really easy to make. Let's begin. Three pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. One onion, diced. One pound of russet potatoes, peeled. Chop the potatoes into bite-sized cubes. About 170 grams baby king oyster mushrooms. Chop the mushrooms into bite-sized medallions. Chop 2 sticks of green onion into batons. We're just about ready to cook. Now this is a chiho paste. You should be able to find this really easily at an Asian supermarket. This is a bit of a fermented bean paste that has a bunch of different spices. This paste will be the base of that curry and it will add a beautiful color and a lot of delicious flavor. Saute pan. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Mushrooms. Saute the mushrooms for 4 to 5 minutes. Give the mushrooms some time to sear and get some nice color. Set the mushrooms aside. Pan back on medium heat. Onions. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Garlic and ginger. One teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon curry powder. In this episode, I'm using a pre-mixed curry powder. Saute for about a minute, then make a well in the middle of the pan. 2 tablespoons chiho paste. Saute the paste for about a minute or two. Potatoes, mushrooms, 400 ml can coconut milk, half cup water, one tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cane sugar, green onions. Give it a good stir and bring to a boil. Simmer on medium-low for 15 to 20 minutes. As the curry cooks down, the texture will become silky smooth and full-bodied. Plate. Top with some fresh cilantro and serve with a side of freshly steamed rice. You can now enjoy this flavor-packed curry with absolute confidence. Man, I cannot wait to start eating this. Boy, oh boy, that is a burst of flavor. I mean, visually, this dish is really stunning. It's incredibly rustic, it's casual, but absolutely exploding with flavor. You can really taste the delicious umami from that chiho paste. You get that saltiness, a little spiciness, as well as a little bit of that sweetness from the cane sugar that kind of balances out the delicious curry. The coconut milk adds this really nice, rich, silky texture and just brings together that amazing curry powder. Those potatoes and king oyster mushrooms really absorbs all of that delicious curry. And when you cook down the curry, it just gets better and better, because the flavor just gets even more intense. Those green onions add just that freshness, and the cilantro really just elevates that flavor and adds that delicious kind of aroma. Those onions and garlic and ginger that we cooked just kind of melts into this delicious curry. I mean, this recipe has such a crazy visual impact. It is so silky, so rich, so luscious. The potatoes and the mushrooms adds this incredibly deep kind of earthy flavor to this curry. This definitely, like I said, is a childhood favorite, and if you enjoy this with a bowl of freshly steamed rice, you have yourself a deliciously perfect, satisfying meal. It's recipes like this that is literally like a comforting, warm hug in a bowl. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like me, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook, our Young Man Cooking merch, or our Sushi Making Masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check those out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.